What do you do when the thoughts about things they may have said that hurt come to mind when you think of them? So you first have to realize that they only said those things to you because of how you feel about yourself and about the story that you have about them. They are only a reflection of you. So whatever story that you have going on about them and the story that you have about yourself is what is going to be reflected back to you. So if they are saying hurtful things to you or being hurtful towards you, you need to go within and you need to think, do I still have a dominant story going on about them, or do I still have a dominant story about myself? That is where you will figure out why you are getting this reflection towards you from them. So you just have to keep reminding yourself that the only reason why that they said these hurtful things to you is because you still have this dominant story going on within yourself, either about them or about yourself, and they have no choice but to reflect that back to you because they are you pushed out. They have to reflect this version towards you because they have no other choice. I hope this helped answer your question. Follow me for more tips.